Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Nginx web server to your Ubuntu machine by running the following command. The Nginx service should be running and enabled by your system. Verify the Nginx service with the next commands. Execute the following UFV command to enable the Nginx full profile, which will allow the HTTP and HTTPS. Now verify UFV rules with the following command. Lastly, visit your IP address from your preferable web browser to verify if the Nginx is installed. To install the mariadb-server on Ubuntu, execute the following apt command. Once the installation is finished, verify the mariadb service with the following commands. Run the mariadb-secure-installation command to secure your MariaDB. Press Enter when prompted for MariaDB root password. Then you can just press Enter to use the default settings. Now install php-fpm to your Ubuntu server with the following command. php-fpm server should be up and running. You can check this by running the next commands. Now check the location path of the php-fpm with the following command. Open the server block configuration file using the next NANO editor command. Uncomment the following lines and make sure to change the path of the php-fpm sock file. Now run the Nginx command to verify your Nginx syntaxes. It should be OK. After that, restart the Nginx. Next, let's create a Nginx server block virtual host. First of all, you need to run the following commands to create a new web root directory and a custom index.html page. Now run the command below to change the ownership of this directory to the next user. Next, run the following NANO editor command to create a new server block configuration file. Insert the configuration below. Make sure to change the server name option with your domain name or IP address. When finished, save and exit the file. Now run the command below to activate the server block configuration. With this command, you'll create a new symbolic link. After the server block is activated, run the Nginx command below to check your Nginx syntaxes. If there is no error, just restart the Nginx. Now, to test your server block configuration, open the web browser and go to your domain name or the IP address. You should see the following. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.